Primary 1 Phonics. Unit 4. Y at the start of a word. Sound 4. Y. Keywords. 關鍵字。字母 letter. 聲音 sound. 元音 vowel. 音節 syllable. 英文拼音 English phonics. Here is a yak. The yak is yawning with its mouth. And here is our chant. Yawning yak, y, y, y. Yawning yak, y, y, y. Yawning yak, y, y, y. Y is a sound of Y. Words starting with Y. Words starting with Y make Y. But if a word ends with Y, it makes another sound. Here are some examples of words that start with Y. Yeti, y, e, t, e, yeti. And here is a yeti. Yum, y, a, The food that this man is eating is yum. Yellow. Yellow. This is the color yellow. Yolk. Yolk. The yellow or orange part of an egg is a yolk. Yuck. Yuck. The dog thinks the food is yuck. Blending sounds. Y makes the sound y. I makes the sound I. And P makes the sound p. Let's blend these sounds together. I, p. Ip. Y. Ip. Yip. Yip is a name in Chinese. Here is the name Yip. Y makes the sound Y. A makes the sound A. And M makes the sound M. Let's blend these sounds together. A, M, am. Y, am. Yam. Yam is a food. Here is a yam. Y makes the sound Y. E makes the sound E. And S makes the sound S. Let's blend these sounds together. E, S. S. Y, S. Yes. Here is a dog nodding yes. Y makes the sound Y. E makes the sound E. And L makes the sound oo. Let's blend these sounds together. E, oo. L. Y, L. Yell. This is a word in English. It means to shout very loudly. This man is yelling. Yell. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye.